The snowstorm that blanketed the East Coast brought the nation's capital to a standstill. And as people shoveled themselves out on Monday, retailers and business owners hoped consumers would dig deep in their pockets. Vijay Siraj runs a martial arts studio.
Numbers are down a little bit, but we opened on Saturday morning.
Nearly 25 inches or 64 centimeters fell in some parts of the metropolitan D.C. area. Public transit was shut down, and roadways were restricted to emergency vehicles, which also had trouble. The weekend before Christmas usually yields high amounts of consumers ready to spend cash, but not this year. Did you do all of your holiday shopping?
No, but I'll finish it up this week.
Super Saturday usually accounts for $15 billion worth of sales nationwide. The official sales losses because of the storm are still being calculated. Shoppers who stayed home shopped online. Retail web traffic peaked at 2.9 million visitors per minute Saturday night, according to an Internet Usage Index site. The figures are up from 1.9 million on the Saturday before Christmas in 2008.
I went shopped online, so that helped out a lot.
Retailers are expected to adjust pricing for bigger sales to make up for the shortfall of a lackluster economy and an uncooperative Mother Nature. There has been a slight bump in sales from last year, but only up 2.4% overall. The excess snow definitely put the big chill on shopping fever over the weekend on the East Coast. But analysts say that could translate to stronger sales throughout the week, right up until the big day on Christmas. Colin Campbell, Washington.